Welcome to today's episode of Queer Comfort, where we dive into some of the most relevant and thought-provoking topics of our time. Today, we have our guest, my fellow co-host, John Rex Castro, and my special guest, Harmon Aybarrio. Today, we're discussing the urgent need for inclusive and accessible restrooms for all genders, a subject that affects us in ways we might not even realize. We'll be exploring inclusive restrooms are for everyone, regardless of gender or ability, but current facilities often exclude transgender people, people with disabilities, and families. This leads to discrimination and limited access, but we can solve it by advocating for gender-neutral and accessible restrooms, educating the public, and supporting inclusive policies to ensure everyone feels safe and welcome. It's a conversation we don't want to miss. To start, let's clarify. What exactly is inclusive and accessible for all gender restrooms? John Rex, can you break it down for us?
Sure, inclusive restrooms are bathrooms designed for everyone, no matter their gender, identity, or physical ability, ensuring a safe and comfortable experience for all. Essentially, inclusive restrooms matter because they show everyone deserves respect and safety when using the bathroom. Regardless of who they are, it's about making sure public spaces are welcoming and comfortable for all members of the community.
That's really interesting. Now, let's ground this discussion with some real-world examples. So, Harmon, do you have any recent events or cases that illustrate the issue?
One example is a transgender student in San Lorenzo Senior High School avoids drinking water all day at school because he is afraid to use either the men's or women's restroom, fearing harmless or judgment. This situation highlights why inclusive restrooms are crucial. They provide a safe and comfortable space for all students, allowing them to focus on learning instead of worrying about basic needs. This is case show that perfectly illustrate the relevance of inclusive restroom. His fear of harassment and gender restroom directly impact his health and education. Inclusive restroom would remove this barrier, allowing him and all students to focus on learning and well-being, demonstrating that these facilities are vital for creating a supportive and equitable school environment.